This is a really interesting and exciting time to be in the pharmaceutical industry. I believe there's a huge wave that's embracing technology and looking and challenging the industry at a core to do things differently. Recursion Pharmaceuticals is an early drug discovery company. Our mission is to treat 100 diseases by the year 2025. What sets us apart, I really think it's the way in which we do things here. It's the way in which we blend automation, biology, and data science.
As a startup, it's hard to always know what it is that I do on a day-to-day basis. My overall responsibility is for our high-throughput screening laboratory, which is the engine that drives the discovery of new drugs. So my focus is on finding the right people and automation and technologies to allow us to rapidly screen new disease models and new potential treatments for those disease models. We've had a chance to meet a lot of patients who are suffering from different genetic diseases and see how it impacts them and their families. To me, that's really why we're all here, is to make the world a better place. We run Splunk Enterprise on a cloud compute engine. We knew that that enterprise instance could be deployed almost anywhere. And in addition to that, we've installed the Database Connect app, the machine learning app, and a bunch of different visualization apps that we're using, like Timeline and 3D View. From my experience, Splunk is the only enterprise-level OI system that has a machine learning toolkit. And for that reason, it just seemed like a good fit for us. With the machine learning toolkit applying standard scalar and the PCA algorithm, we could quickly reduce all of those variables down to a single principal component that was most important for us to track. The machine learning toolkit is actually where we first discovered that the changes in volume in our reagents was caused by evaporation and not caused by the number of transfers that were performed. It allowed us to really understand deeply where our reagents were going. That was a critical insight. Another great example of where Splunk has given us real benefit is in being able to keep track of all of the different laboratory automation that we have. These are really complicated instruments with really detailed software packages that all generate log files that all get ingested with Splunk.
Today, due to our automation process, we're able to run our processes at least 5 times faster than we were before. And we are looking at a horizon where we can double and triple those times very quickly. But it's not the reason why we chose Splunk. The reason was really twofold. One was the ability to be priced at a way that we just pay for what is ingested. That was really important to us as a relatively young and new company. And secondly was its flexibility.
My advice for people working in biotech and or dealing with information management is to really see how other companies have solved the problem.
Every day, whether that's on the data scientist group or the automation or biology group, we're focused on bringing treatments to individuals. I would love to look back and someday say we really made a change.